Hi everybody, this is Fox Nomad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you one of the least known natural wonders in Bulgaria and in the Balkans. Most of the people in the region outside of Bulgaria don't know about this place. It's called the Belogradchik Rocks. They are natural formations. They're about 50 million years old. They started forming about 200 million years ago, and only about 100,000 people a year visit. And about 20% of those people are foreign tourists. So they're so amazing that I decided to do a photo essay on my site today. You can check out the link below. But then I realized that I had a bunch of drone footage from there. I wanted to show you Belogradchik from above, and when I was putting this together I remembered that my friend Damien was with me. I knew he was with me, but I remembered that we tried to grab my drone, the DJI Mavic. Well, he tried to grab the Mavic drone out of the sky with his hand. We thought it would be cool to see if we could just grab it, do kind of a grab and land type of situation. Well, it didn't really work out quite so well. You might remember Damien from this video I did in Romania. I'll link to that up here. And you might also remember that a few months before this I actually crashed my drone. Oh, then got it back from a repair and crashed it again. If you want tips on how not to crash your drone, let me also link to that up there as well. But anyway, I wanted to show you what happened when we tried to grab the drone out of the sky. If you think grabbing your drone out of the sky is a good idea. Alright, so here, yeah, I'm trying to land. Alright, so here I'm trying to land the drone. Damien is looking very relaxed. I'm a little bit nervous about this whole process because I've crashed enough drones, and landing it on this wood plank, if you look at it here, wasn't the easiest. So I was even worried about that, but he suggested let's see if we can grab the drone out of the sky. So I'm bringing it down to him, and because there's no audio I'm gonna narrate this for you. Alright, so it's there. He's like, alright, he's doing some air traffic control. It's there. Tells him stop. Okay. He goes to grab the drone, and it just takes off automatically. I think it's the sensors on the bottom. It didn't like having an obstacle below it. I think it automatically came up. So it does it again, and he's like, why do you keep lifting the drone up? And I'm like, well, it's not me. It's the drone keeps doing it automatically. So we check the settings, and we're looking around to see what we can change. Here I am looking at contemplating an actual proper landing on this pile of wood. Alright, so we're gonna give it another shot. Fast forwarding here. Alright, so it's right there. He's gonna do a quick grab, and now when he grabs it, you can look at his handshake. Look at that handshake. Alright, so the Mavic made like this crazy noise. It really fought hard. The propellers just went to maximum, and it just tried to take off. And at this point I was like, that's it. I'm not risking the drone anymore. So I think what this was a safety feature. So anyway, but back now to some actual drone footage of Belogradchik. Enjoy this quick video. I hope you liked it. there you have it. Those are the Belogradchik Rocks, as well as some drone shenanigans in there as well. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button. That's somewhere there, and I'll have new videos for you every week. Thank you again very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.